welcome back to Abeokuta TV. And if you're new here, have you subscribed? What are you waiting for? Anyways, I have here with me my younger sister. This is Titi, and we are on our way to Ogun State, Abeokuta. Abeokuta literally means under the rock, and that's why we have Olumorok as one of our tourist attractions. So it's gonna take us about an hour to 2 hours maybe, depending on the traffic, and I'd like to bring you guys along. We're going to see my daddy. I'm actually excited, so see you soon.
Presidential Library. There's a cinema, that's the building for the cinema. And there's a White House. If you pan to your right now.
Yes. So the White House behind, I don't know if you're getting a clear view. Not really, but that's where Obasanjo stays.
Oh, that one. You see it now.
That's
Ooh.
It
Look.
stays in the penthouse up there.
Wow.
These are the entrances. And then they have event centers.
Yes.
This is the conference hall.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
And that's the hotel, the Green
Yes,
Legacy.
the Green Legacy Resort. All owned by Obasanjo.
Interestingly, the way he owned it or he procured it, to me, was funny. He got people to fund it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's the Abiola Way. It's a beautiful road.
Abiola Way.
3 lanes on each side.
Yeah. My dad is the best tour guide, guys.
And then
Like,
now we're going to the stadium named after late MKO Abiola.
legislative
Are
quarters.
members of the House of Assembly.
Okay.
That's where they stay.
And this is the stadium. It's the MKO Abiola
The name,
Stadium.
you can see the name on it there.
Yeah, it says written there.
Actually, we were going up. This is the shortest way home. But I want to take a longer way so you will see what is going on in Abeokuta.
Thank you.
This is the hotel. The next complex is the cultural center.
So this is a hotel.
Yeah.
Is it functioning?
It's functioning.
It looks
Smart.
very
Smart. Too smart. Too smart.
And this is the
5,000
cultural
bed and breakfast. I would
Yeah.
like to stay there.
center. That's the cultural center.
So this is the cultural center.
And there's a bridge under construction.
Oh yeah.
There used to be a Gateway Hotel here,
Okay.
which the past government sold to an individual. Is that called Park Inn?
Oh yeah, we saw that too. I saw that.
So it was sold to the father of the PDP candidate for gubernatorial candidate in Ogun State. You can see the bridge is almost done.
Yeah.
We started putting the pillars, which hopefully by end of March it will be ready. Inshallah. Because the president is coming to Ogun State. We have an airport under construction.
Ooh, yay! No one's gonna insult me again.
And
That my
believe it
state
or not,
doesn't have an
the
airport.
is going to be the biggest in the country.
Ogun State Airport is gonna be the biggest in the country.
Is going to be able to take the biggest aircraft in the world.
Guys, you heard that here first. Is it gonna be international?
Yeah. Hello?
Hold
Sherry?
on.
This is Guaranteed Trust Bank.
GT. Daddy, can we go to GT tomorrow to like do my account? Central Bank of Nigeria, Abeokuta.
But if you require wallet, God bless you.
Bye.
I want to show you the government.
So
under
guys,
here.
that's the State House up the hill.
Right onto a Saleh.
So is that where the governor lives?
Well, that's supposed to be his residence.
Oh, but he
But he has his
doesn't.
own house where rides going on.
It's going
That's
to be a
what GT.
GT Bank.
Yeah.
And on the right here is the
There's a
shopping mall
with the amphitheater.
with an amphitheater
Beautiful.
under
You will see under
construction, guys.
which
We're going to have a
hopefully-
shopping mall.
Actually, we had a crossover here.
Yeah.
31st to 1st.
Look at the shopping mall.
Under construction.
Yeah, still under
Massive.
construction. Don't worry, guys.
It's a massive one, actually. massive.
Look, it's
Going to be
big.
bigger than your ShopRite in Lagos. No, seriously.
It's gonna be bigger than ShopRite in Lagos. And yeah.
It's always bigger than the one it is.
Look at it. That's the amphitheater in the middle there.
Oh, I think I couldn't get that.
And this is the Opic
Take the
building.
next right onto OK,
Opic
Ilewo
building.
Road,
You see?
Lessover
You will
Road.
see an image of the amphitheater.
Okay.
I'll go around you will see it. You see it's a big one?
Look at the structure, guys. Like,
Turn left onto Opic roundabout.
oh.
It is Opic. It's a big one. Very big one. Massive.
What do they plan to call it? I didn't see the name.
Abeokuta Mall, that's right.
Military created Ogun State.
The first gubernatorial
Yeah,
office.
Governor's office. That's it.
Oh, it still looks nice.
Yeah.
It's cute.
It is. It's just been reconstructed actually.
Yes.
And these are our shopping area. Big Treat and all the rest.
Restaurant, fast food.
Big
Turn right
Mama,
to stay on
all of them are
Housing
here.
Estate Road.
Spices. Actually, we have this is your new one,
Which
the
one?
pizza one.
Domino's and Cold Stone. Yeah. Daddy K asked us, so we're actually gonna come back there and get pizza and Cold Stone. We have to try it. Ogun State Housing Corporation.
They have beautiful
Iba.
houses, only too costly.
Too costly.
45 million.
For
A duplex.
of how many bedroom?
Stay on
You will
Abara
see it.
Housing
You're
Estate
in
Road.
Abara.
Google Map works in Ogun State, guys. You
Of
can't tell me
course.
nothing.
Of
You
course.
cannot tell me
The
nothing.
grey roof, that's the senior brothers. That's the person I work with.
Yeah. So
Is-
we're heading towards the governor's
Lodge.
lodge.
Yeah. That's where he's staying now since December.
The houses don't look bad. Someone said that this
This is a
Ogun
bad
is like
housing.
Ogun is like no, Abeokuta is like Lagos.
Now it's getting even better.
It's to be honest, like I've not seen like so much confusion or rural or it's just nice to be honest. So this is the governor's.
One drive, remember, no?
Turn left.
Look.
Bele. That's
It's for his brother,
senior brother, yeah.
so
And
they
we
live
allow
close
all
to
our
each
so-
other. That's cute.
Come on. Yeah.
That's cute.
It's
So
about
low.
80, 90 million.
Whoa.
So there are 2 units in each, 2 duplexes
in each
unit.
Okay. So each of this is about what?
Each unit,
Is
40, 45.
45 million.
If you take a complete unit, 80, 90.
But what do you need a complete unit for?
Family from one side, or you let it out and you stay in one.
Okay, so
That's
that's
the
how
end
many
of it.
bedrooms?
4.
4 bedrooms. They actually look proper nice.
It is, and it has a
It's
boys,
a hotel too,
boys
guys.
quarter built in. It really
So that's
interesting.
like a 5 bedroom
5
ish.
bedroom,
That's decent.
yeah. More than this, and 1 room down, 3 up.
Yeah.
With a private living.
So 2 parlors
Yeah.
and
One
one
down,
big
one up.
kitchen most
Yeah.
likely.
Yeah.
That's very decent and that's okay for a normal family.
Yep.
An average family of what, 4 children?
Yep. My own problem.
It's
is
called this area is called Pansheke.
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 It's a popular business. area.
Look, with this pedestrian bridge, Lagos.
With lights,
Lagos
so no
State.
chakara.
Lagos State. Where are you guys doing now? What can you say about
And
my
our
state?
own isn't,
Like it's look at how it's
It's a
so
loop. It's a
yeah,
loop, so.
it's all round,
going around
going everywhere, leading you, dropping you. So you enter where you want and come down where you want.
And that's the first flyover in Ogun State.
Ooh.
Ahead of you. And the high rise is the governor's
200
office,
meters,
This one
continue
here.
straight
Yes.
onto Abeokuta
The governor's
Street.
office.
personal
Road.
office.
Okay. But is this under construction or what?
Under construction.
150
Okay.
meters, continue straight onto Abeokuta Street.
Like I'm actually quite impressed. Oh, see Domino's Pizza, guys! Ooh, and Cold Stone. Look at the Cold Stone and Domino's, guys. I'm coming back here. We can't stop now because it's almost time for Maghrib and we're going home to pray. Morning, guys. So today is what? Today is the 16th of January. Right now, I'm still in Abeokuta and we're on our way to the bank because my account is dormant and my dad is the signatory. So we're just going to the bank. A quick trip to the bank. with my father and my friends. So yeah, let's go to the bank. Whoa, yeah, of course.
2 matches already. Okay, so that's a bit of news for
Miss Land International School. I remember all the carol we did here, assembly. The boys' hostel is on top there.
Some of that.
That's the last floor is boys' hostel. Girls' hostel was not in school.
That's the guest hostel.
They used to stress us.
Good sign. Nobody got much love.
Okay.
Now you've seen the governors, and then you're seeing our mall from another angle.
Ogun River, guys.
Look at it here. And straight ahead is the Islamic burial ground.
Okay.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Muslim Monumental Park. That's what they call it.
Where they bury Muslims.
Surura's mom was buried there.
Oh.
The Auntie Surura.
Yes. Abeokuta. Our one-day trip is coming to an end. But we're going to go and eat some amala or lafun. So now we're here to buy some food at Halaga. I don't know if that means it's halal, but Halaga. Let's go and see what they have in store. So due to us being so hungry, we have bought both amala and rice. So we're doing takeaway. I hope it lives up to the name and the expectation that we have. Like they have fish, fries, beans, ofada, fried meat, fried fish, ofada sauce. Okay, so this is the food we got from Halaga. So this is ewedu and begiri with pomo and some other things. This is the amala size. They sell this at 100 naira, and one meat is 100 naira. Pomo is 150, and the soup I'm thinking is 100 naira too, or 200. I don't know.
I don't think the soup.
They don't sell the soup.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They don't sell the soup, so it comes with the food rather. So I have like 3 different types of meat or beef or whatever it is. It's called assorted. Titi, let's see yours.
Okay, here's mine.
Look at this foodie.
Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
A body. Edo, no
Edo
Edo.
and
Something
Shaki.
else. Mine, there's Edo and
You no choose FF, mama.
Hunger games. Hunger. It's in this heat we're eating amala. So, 1 amala down, 1 more to go. They already beat me to it, already on the second one. This is my face after eating 2 wraps of amala. I actually ate with egusi. I didn't feel like having ewedu, so, but it was nice. I give it a 10 over 10. I'm so full, like, so full. But yeah, it was good.
If you open your pot, you meet meat. They'll be hearing sound in the midnight too.
House of mystery. Wow.
For sale, who
I think-
buy?
Who buy? No, but this house has been like that for sale for over 10 years.
Wow.
And this house
This is so funny.
like that.
No, when they get back, they'll share that.
Because
Baba,
It's just that man is such a baby. People were just pulling the
Current mood.